Hello students, so we are now discussing question number 32 of KVPY SX 2021 paper. We are into physics section and this is question number 12 of physics. So it says that a long strict uniform wire is suspended from one end, time period of oscillation is T. So we are using the wire as a physical pendulum. Okay, so in this case the expression for omega is given by root of mgl by I. Okay, here L represents the distance of center of mass from the axis of suspension. So it will be L by 2, where L is the length of the rod or the wire. So it is going to be mgl by 2 into moment of inertia about the axis of suspension. So that will be ml square by 3. So we end up writing root of 3g by 2l. So that's omega for this case. Okay, now the question says that we have bent the wire into the form of a circle and suspended from a knife edge so that it can oscillate freely in the plane of the ring. So we have converted this ring, this rod or wire into a ring, and then we have suspended it from a knife edge. So now again it is oscillating as a physical pendulum about this point basically. So let's say that the radius is r. So again omega will be written by the same expression mgl by I. This time instead of L we are going to write r, and instead of I we are going to write mr square plus mr square. So that will become 2mr square. Okay, so in terms of r we are getting g by 2r. So this is what we are getting. Now we have to convert, we have to find a relationship between r and L. So that's pretty easy. The circumference of this ring will be equal to the length of the rod. So r can be written as L by 2 pi. So we can very well write it as g divided by 2. In fact, I can get rid of this 2 also. It will become L by pi. So this is what it becomes. Now the question says that the time period of the ring is what we are looking for. Okay, so let me do it on the next page. So time period of the ring divided by time period of the rod. Okay, that can be written as omega of rod upon omega of ring. So omega of rod was root of 3 by 2 g by L, and omega of ring will be L by g pi. So L gets cancelled, G gets cancelled. So we get root of 3 by 2 pi. So this is what we are getting, the ratio. So time period of ring will be root 3 by 2 pi into the time period of rod. So we should be looking for this option, root 3 by 2 pi. So option D is one such option. So option D here will be the correct option. So Google about Vedanta Viklavya, guys. If you don't know about it, do Google it, discover what it is, and then scan this QR code to stay updated about any batch that we are going to launch. And if you want to be a part of that batch, then scan this code so that you can stay updated about the information of the batch. Thank you, students. I'll see you in the video of the next question.